Hi everyone, my name is CS Harshdeep Singh Narula, and today in this video we are going to discuss about 7 business ideas for beginners to start in year 2025. So what are those 7 business ideas and why you should start it now? I'll discuss in this video. The very first business idea is food truck business. You all know what is a food truck. If you don't know, I'll just explain you. Food trucks are basically just like carts on the road, the trucks on the road which are selling foods, hot and fresh food. Why it is so popular right now in India? Because they serve clean food, fresh food, and variety of food, and that too on cost effective basis. In India there are around 145 crore people, and you must have seen in your city, in the busy areas, in the non-busy areas, that there are many people, and everyone in day wants to eat at least 2 to 3 times, not even 2 to 3 times, let's say 3 to 5 times a day. And that too they just once deserve like fast food or clean food or any food of a variety. So food truck business is one of the best idea. It cannot be a loss making business because everyone wants food, everyone is hungry. So this was the very first business idea. Number 2 is digital marketing. So today in this world, in this era, you must have seen that literally everyone is starting their business, because we are competing with countries like China, US, Russia, UK, Australia, and we want to be above them. So that's why in India, daily there are a lot of businesses which are starting. However, if they are starting the business to promote their business, what they need is digital marketing agencies. What includes digital marketing? It includes running their Facebook ads, Meta ads, Instagram ads, their Google ads, YouTube ads, their LinkedIn profile ads, making their profile look good, making their social media look good, and make sure to promote their brand and sell it. Any businessman will pay you if you are going to make him profit, if you are going to sell him 10, 15, 20 or more products than he was doing it all alone. If you are even giving him a profit of 5%, that person will hire a digital marketing agency. Number 3 idea is t-shirt printing business or mug printing business. T-shirt printing, or we can say mug printing, or any printing business. In today's era, in today's world, you must have seen that there are many businesses, many offices, and the offices have their own brand. So for the brand, what they need is customized office supplies or customized t-shirts. Be it offices, be it your birthday parties, be it anything. Every person in today's era requires what? They requires a branding, their branding, personal branding. So they on their t-shirts for their offices, what they get, they print the logo. For birthdays, especially if you're giving gift to someone, they print something on a t-shirt. They give mugs, you must have seen, they give pots. So this is also one of the best business idea, that is printing business, majorly t-shirt printing, mug printing, or any other printing, etc. Number 4 is office supplies. Like we were talking about, there are many businesses are opening and everything. So the next business idea comes is office supplies. In the office supplies, it is also very important, like I discussed it before. In the digital marketing, there are many businesses which are opening. If they want digital marketing, if they want personal branding, they also want office supplies. Office supplies including their own personal branding, like water bottles, their what we say, diaries, their pens, staplers, stationery, etc. Number 5 business idea is home bakery. Like we discuss, home bakery, or we can also say cloud kitchen. Like we discussed in the very first food truck business, everyone is hungry, everyone wants to eat food, has to eat food actually. So in that case also, home bakery or cloud kitchen, running from your own place, is one of the best business idea, where you can serve cost effective and clean food to your customers. So number 6 business idea is handmade cosmetics or handmade soaps. So in today's era, like in India, people are moving towards natural products. You can serve them natural products made from handmade products like soaps, cosmetics, creams, lotion, everything. And it is selling a lot these days, because when what we have seen in the past, that people are using chemicals in their brands. Right now people want to move towards what? Their natural cleaning, natural products. And the seventh one is drop shipping. What do you mean by drop shipping? So drop shipping is one of the easiest and one of the most toughest business right now, because in drop shipping what you do is you become a middleman. You deal with the manufacturer and you sell it to the customer. So you become a middleman and get orders from the customers and sell directly to the customer from the manufacturer. So manufacturer sent to the customer, your customer. So these were the 7 business ideas for beginners to start in year 2025. If you want to know more about business idea, if you want to know more about starting your company, registering your trademark, then do contact us at 987-806-7337. Thank you.